Hi everyone, so I'm going to briefly show you how to use Google Slides, what Google Slides looks like. It's very similar to PowerPoint, but much easier to use. I actually prefer it over PowerPoints, mostly because it saves all the items without having to click save. You can access it anywhere, you can share it, and it's just a lot more fun to use. So as you see, I have the opening page for the Google Slides open. You will see that a lot of these things I have created, you will see them in our author study project. But I just wanted to go over just the simplistic things for it. And then you can search on your own if you want to add a little more detail to your presentation. So if you choose Google Slides as your group's form of the way you want to present your material, you can choose a new presentation in a couple of ways. So the easiest way is just a new blank presentation. This will be completely blank where you choose your backgrounds, you choose everything. So that is that particular type of presentation. You choose everything. The other one I sometimes prefer if I don't have a ton of time to work on it, or if I find something that really goes and speaks with the particular person I'm doing my research on or the particular presentation I want to give, I will use a certain template. Otherwise, 9 times out of 10, I do a blank one. So you will see there are some personal ones you can use, work ones, education ones. You will notice that they're already filled out. So yes, when you do open them, they will already be completed and you have to delete the text and put in your own text. Of course, these are changeable as well. You can change the color, the background, the text, the font, sizing, whatever it may be. So I think this one will be the easiest for all of you to work with because it's very similar to PowerPoints. But I will open a blank one just to show you how this works. Okay, so as you see already, it looks really similar to PowerPoints. It brings up your themes on the right. You can choose different backgrounds, layouts, themes. You can even do transitions just like PowerPoints. And then you can insert new slide when you're ready to add another one. Again, it's very similar. You'll notice the share button on the right. This is different than PowerPoint because as you see, it's private only to me, but if I click on share, let's give it a title. Okay, so let's do Screencast for Google Slides. Save. And now I can type in anybody's name or email address and I can share it with them. And you want to make sure you can edit because you don't want to share it with your group and they can't edit the material. So then of course you can get the shareable link. But then once you enter their names or email addresses, you just hit done and it goes to them. It goes to their Gmail account and they can open it from there. So again, this is very similar to PowerPoints. And if you want to even practice presenter view, this is very similar as well. And it's kind of nice because pause, resets, it does it itself. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so we're back to the main page of the Google, well actually these are the templates, so let's go back one more. We're back to the main page of Google Slides. So if this is the particular way you want to present your material, this is more of a presentation style. Of course you can add YouTube videos and pictures and anything else you want to add. So let's compare this to PowerPoint. So if this is what you're comfortable with, by all means, you and your group are more than welcome to choose Google Slides as your form of presentation. Enjoy!